In Pakistan, as people were getting ready to celebrate Independence Day with happiness. But a series of grenade attacks suddenly disrupted the festivities. And this unexpected violence has caused a lot of worry and overshadowed the celebration that were meant to honor the country's freedom. In Quetta, Pakistan on Tuesday, suspected militants threw hand grenades at a house and a store selling Pakistani's flag in the troubled Balochistan province. Well, this attack killed 3 people and injured 6 others just before Pakistan's 77th Independence Day celebrations. The Baloch Liberation Army, a separatist group, said they were behind the attacks in Quetta. And just day before, they had told shop owner not to sell Pakistani flags and warned people not to celebrate Independence Day on August 14. Well, do you know why Pakistani celebrates Independence Day on August 14? Let's find out. In August 1947, the Indian subcontinent became free from British rule, leading to the creation of 2 new countries, which is India and Pakistan, and due to the Indian Independence Act of 1947. The British planned to transfer power by June 1948, but Lord Mountbatten moved it to August 15, 1947. He handed over power to Indian leaders at midnight on August 14 to 15 in New Delhi, and Pakistan's independence was announced in Karachi. Well, Muhammad Ali Jinnah, Pakistan's founder, and emphasized that this date also marked Pakistan's own independence and the realization of the Muslim nation's dreams. And this August 14 was chosen to celebrate Pakistan's Independence Day and making it more meaningful date for the Muslims. In the latest violence in the northwest, militants attacked and killed 4 security forces in South Waziristan, which is in the Khyber Pakhtunkhwa province, where the military said that their troops fought back and killed 6 of the attackers. The day before Independence Day, Pakistan's Army Chief Gen Asim Munir vowed to combat militancy in a televised speech at a military academy, where he asked Afghanistan for help to deal with the Pakistani Taliban, a militant group from Afghanistan that has been attacking Pakistan's northern west region. Well, the group also works in southwestern Balochistan, where there has been a long-standing conflict, and this region shares a border with Afghanistan. Well, as Pakistan celebrates Independence Day, the nation is also grieving the victims of the attack, and everyone is coming together to face the violence. And our thoughts are with the families affected by the tragedy. Keep watching India.com for more such updates.